Hello, so I decided to make one of these, whatchamacallit, YouTube accounts, because it seems to me that all you Americans are obsessed with it. So I decided to say what this whole, I don't know, obsession was about. Well, it's starting to thunder right now, so I don't think I should be talking for too long, because I just want me to die. Anyways, I have to use this camera because I broke my Sony Cybershot, and of course in America it takes so long to get a package mailed back to you because I have to mail it to the company, but whatever. Anyways, I'm using my crappy camera, so anyways, so I'm looking at my aunt's house, so why don't we go take a look around. Okay, this is my room. Well, actually I took all my stuff from Britain. Well, I tried to take most of it anyway. Anyway, it's my Hello Kitty calendar. Don't you just love it? It's from Japan. You didn't know that. Anyways, I brought my fish also. Well, you can't really see my fish because you're light, but anyway. So I will be staying here. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be in the States for yet. Anyways, but I shouldn't be here for that long. Maybe till September. Visiting my friends. So there's this chick, her name is Brittany Lang. I went to her school with her. So I'm just leaving the airport and I decided to give her a call up because I haven't seen her since I was like maybe, God, 5 or 6, because I moved out of the States when I was 7. So I decided to give her a call and see if we could hang out, and I called her and I'm like, hello, this is Bella, remember who this is? And she freaked out on me and I told her I was going to come after her, and it wasn't very pretty after that. Anyways, well, now I have to go listen to some of my Led Zeppelin because I haven't listened to it in a really long time and I really miss it. Don't we give you Americans everything? We give you the good bands, you know, the movies. It's all good. You just take everything. What did you give us? Nothing. Not French fries. Wait, did you give us McDonald's? Oh, I'm sorry, I take that back then. McDonald's is pretty good. Okay, well, I'll keep hosting. Maybe in a little while when I get my new camera back, but you know what? It's all good. Cheerio!